So this is a little video of my batteries and inverters. As far as I can tell, here, and there is where the batteries should be earthed. They are not. And I think this here is for earthing the little inverter. And that over here is for earthing the other inverter. So none of them are earthed. And I'm no expert, but as far as I can tell, these are AC isolators. So I don't think there's any DC isolators for the solar panels. And another worry is about the leads coming from the solar panels. I think they should go through some kind of conduit. They've just been put through holes in the wall. And if I go into a space where they then collect, this looks all a bit chaotic. And this is where they then go out onto the roof. So looks a bit untidy to me, but hey, I'm not an electrician.